Yeah, so I want to do a quick video showing you how to host N8N on DigitalOcean. That's you're doing self-hosting. So instead of having N8N on their own website, you would self-host it. So I'll be showing you how to host it on DigitalOcean. So many of you who that don't know what DigitalOcean is a self-hosting platform, or is a hosting platform like AWS or GCP or Microsoft Azure. So we will be hosting our N8N on DigitalOcean. So yeah, let's just do that. So you just type in DigitalOcean. You have to sign up for an account, which is free. So let me just create a new project. N N8N project. Oh, sorry. N8N project. Create. Oh, sorry. No. Let me just put it at this. So I have my N8N project here. I go down on the left to marketplace, right? So just create your project, which is like a folder. Then you go to the marketplace. In the marketplace, you already see N8N. So the good part is DigitalOcean has an N8N droplet, right? So a droplet is just like if you're used to AWS, it's just like an EC2 instance or a server. Let's just say it's an Ubuntu machine running in the cloud. So I want to create this is the N8N droplet I want to use. So I clicked on it and I'll just click on create the droplet. Okay. Sorry, I'm checking if it's still recording. Yeah. So create it in the area closest to you. London is closest to me. That's the data center closest to me. So that's it should be everything will be running fast because of latency issues, right? The location shouldn't be too far from your location. So you can see it's an Ubuntu 2204 LTS. So that's the Ubuntu version that this N8N is running on. So I'm just going to choose a cheap plan, right? Because you can always scale up. You can always scale up. It's very, very easy to scale up. So $6 per month, 1 GB, 25 GB SSD storage. So I don't want to use SSH. I want to use password. So for the password, so this is my droplet. I want to create a password for it. Must be at least 8 character long. Let me just use anything. Let me type anything. Trust $67 R. Let me see if this meets it. So they said must be at least 8 characters long, must contain one uppercase that must not be first or last character. So that's why I put, okay, it must not be the last character. Okay, I have R, yeah. Must contain one number, yeah. Cannot end in a special number or character. So I should meet it, yeah. So that meets everything. So this my password meets everything. No need to look at my password too much. I'll be deleting this instance once I'm done. So please store password safely. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, so for the host name, I could just call it N8N Ben. Yeah, so that's it. Create droplets. So it's creating my N8N droplet inside my N8N project. The N8N project is just like a folder, so nothing's too serious there. This is the main thing, which is the droplet. So once it creates the droplet, it's going to give us an IPv4 address that we are supposed to be able to use um, to log into our hosted N8N instance. So this is for self-hosting. Being able to self-host your N8N really improves the security. So for medium-sized or bigger companies that want to secure their data very well, it's better to self-host your N8N. So your data is with you and secure. So I told you it's very easy to upsize, right? So Forget we are starting with a small 1 GB. If we ever need to go as high as 8 GB or 16 GB RAM, we can easily upsize. So let's just click on the droplets. Um, so this is the IPv4. On a normal day, we are just supposed to be able to click this and sorry, I think I didn't copy it well. We are just supposed to be able to copy this, come here and go to it. Let me clear this. But you can see it's not working, right? So what we have to do is we host it on our domain. That's where Namecheap comes in. So we have to connect this IPv4 to a domain. So it's very easy. Don't stress it out. You can just go to your Namecheap, go to one of the domains you already have. I'll be using this domain. Hello, this is one of my domains. So I'll just use this manage. So you can do this on your Namecheap or your GoDaddy, right? I just go to advanced DNS. I just need to add an A record, right? Yeah, so I come here, add new record, A record, host is N8N. Then I put in the IP address here. So let's just make it 1 minute so we get it fast. Yeah, so what I'll be doing, since I've connected the IPv4 to to my domain name, what I'll then be doing is let me go to the console, right? Just follow me. So I have to register this domain name on the console. Let me just copy the domain name. So this console, where is the console? I just clicked on it. Sorry. Yeah, so this console I just clicked on from here. This console you can see is an Ubuntu machine, right? So for subdomain, I'm putting nothing. For my main domain, I'll be using this hello-growthaic.com. So let me just type that. Hello growthaic.com. Email address for let's encrypt. Let me just do a time 3. I can use a time 15. Oh no, let me use a time 365 at gmail.com. So just type in your Gmail. Yeah, would you like to configure time zone? No, I don't need time zone. So it's pulling the Docker image of N8N and it's setting it up. So it's always going to pull the latest image. So I know these details might be a bit technical, right? But Docker is a platform where images can be hosted. So if I have an application like N8N, right, and I host it on Docker, which N8N hosted it on Docker, those are the images being pulled to form the application. So Docker is mainly used for containerization of application. So it is easy to use your applications anywhere in the world. So we are all set. We are all good and set. I can close this. And then all I need to do is to go to this website and I'll see my N8N. It just needs to be N8N.my-website. So N8N.my-website. It should work now. Yeah, so that is it. I've hosted N8N on my hello-growthaic.com and I could just log in. Oh, okay. This is to set up accounts. At time 3, I can use any email at gmail.com. So first name, password. So this is just the basic setting up of your N8N. We are already on the N8N. I'm just clicking anything. Right, so I get to it. So this is the N8N platform. I can start creating workflow. It wants me to change my password. No, I don't want to change my password, so I have to use the password I'll easily remember. So we can start creating our workflows from here. So that's it's as easy as that. The good part of hosting it is you can always scale up, scale down any how you want, and your data is with you, right? You're the ones you're securing your whole data yourself. So that's the whole process. If you need any help hosting your N8N yourself, you can always reach out to me and I'll be happy to help. Yeah, thank you.